Did you know an Eagle Scout and honor student became one of America's deadliest mass shooters in just one day? Charles Whitman seemed like the perfect American. Marine veteran, engineering student, former altar boy. But on August 1st, 1966, something inside him snapped. Before dawn, he killed his mother and wife in their sleep. Then he loaded a trunk with rifles and ammunition. He drove to the University of Texas campus and took an elevator to the 28th floor observation deck. After barricading the doors, he began shooting students below like targets in a shooting gallery. For 96 minutes, he picked off anyone who moved across the open campus. Students crawled behind trees and cars, trapped in the Texas heat with nowhere to run. 17 people died before police finally reached him. But here's the chilling part. The autopsy revealed a brain tumor pressing against his amygdala, the same region that controls aggression and impulse. Was this calculated evil, or did a tiny growth turn a model citizen into a killer?